Welcome to KSRIS Academy. And now let's get into the daily news headline analysis of 12th December 2021. G7 puts up united front against Russia. So G7, it is an intergovernmental organization. It has been formed in the year 1975 and its member countries are US, Germany, France, Italy, Japan, Canada, and UK. So they meet annually to discuss issues of common interest. And ఇప్పుడు 47th G7 summit annually in northern English city of Liverpool. And it has been attended by US, France, Italy, Germany, Japan, and Canada. So the main concern is that Russia could invade Ukraine. Russia was also a G7 partner, but it has been expelled after it annexed the Crimea region of Ukraine. So Russia denies planning any attacks. So Ukraine presents it as a center of crisis in East and West relations because it accuses Russia of a possible large-scale military offensive. Russia accuses Ukraine and the United States of destabilizing behavior and has said it needs security guarantees for its own protection. Russia is demanding security guarantees for its own protection. Men in India take 82% of labor income, says report. Men in India capture 82% of labor income while women earn just 18%, according to the first ever estimates of the gender inequality in global earnings presented by the World Inequality Report 2022. So according to the estimates of gender equality in global earnings, which is presented by the World Inequality Report 2022, men in India 82% of the labor income acquired చేసుకుంటున్నారు, while women are just acquiring 18%. The female share of the total labor income is the national aggregate labor income earned by women relative to the total aggregate of labor income within a country. So female యొక్క total labor income లో female యొక్క share అంటే it is the national aggregate which is earned by women when compared to the total aggregate of labor income. In a country with perfect equality between women and men, the female labor income share would be 50%. Female labor income in India of 18.3% is lower than the average for Asia, which is 27% in 2019. So Asia మొత్తంలో average తీసుకుంటే కూడా మన India is so much lower. It is 18.3% when compared to 27% in Asia. After the pandemic, there was a worsening of female labor participation rate, which fell to 16.1% during the July-September 2020 data, according to the Ministry of Statistics. So the pandemic also had an effect on women labor participation rate. It fell to 16.1% in July-September quarter, as per the estimates of Ministry of Statistics. No drop in stubble burning in Punjab, Haryana this year. So after the harvest of paddy, agriculture field lo crop yokka remnants అనేవి అలానే ఉండిపోతాయి, and these remnants we call them as stubble. In order to clear their field for the next crop, which is wheat, farmers usually burn the stubble, which is causing a lot of air pollution in the national capital region and surrounding areas. So according to a program which has been conducted by a private agri-tech, last year to compare చేస్తే ఈ ఇయర్ stubble burning యొక్క ఇన్స్టెన్సెస్ తగ్గలేదు. బెంగళూరు బేస్డ్ అగ్రిటెక్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ కూడా ఒక డీకంపోజర్ని ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ కనుక్కున్నారు, అండ్ that decomposer, it decomposes stubble into manure in nearly less time. So even after implementing it, last year to compare చేసుకుంటే ఇయర్ stubble burning instances తగ్గలేదు. The contribution of farm fires to air pollution in Delhi varies from as low as 5% to 40%. Thank you.